In this video I'm going to show you how to install the best plugin for WordPress, where you can show your feed in a tiled format anywhere you like in your website, and I'll show you why I picked this plugin. This disclaimer is I've got nothing to do with developers of this plugin. I've just spent hours and hours researching the best plugins, and the most installed and the most popular one isn't the one that I picked, and I'll show you why. Okay, so this is the website, and I'm going to place it on the margin there below everything in a 3x3 tile photo format. Okay, first we want to go into the dashboard of our WordPress. We then want to go into plugin, add new, and then search Instagram. Then install 10 web Instagram feed, Instagram gallery. So we're going to say install now. Once that's done, we're going to go into install plugins. Then go down to Instagram feed by 10 web and activate. Now allow 10 web to collect some usage data. You know what? You don't have to say allow and continue, so we can go skip and it'll still work. Next, we're going to sign in with Instagram. For that to happen, you have to go to instagram.com and log in as the account that you want to install the plugin for. So we're going to say sign in with Instagram, and it'll tell you hi such and such. This is what we're signing in as, and we'll say authorize. Once you've authorized it, your page is going to look something like this. It'll say access token. Username is the one that you signed in as. I like this. Check for new posts every 60 minutes. I don't need to be that aggressive. I'll do it once a day, so that's 1,440 minutes. Save changes. You then want to go into your feeds on the left hand side there, and then there will be a sample feed. You can rename that later, so we'll go into sample feed. Okay, this is what I liked about this plugin, is that it tells you in the feed settings, once you clicked on the feed name, it tells you sort media by date, sorting order descending. Obviously you want the newest ones up the top. What I couldn't see in the other best or most famous one, or the most popular one, is that you can say action on click. So once you click the photo, what do you want to happen? The other ones were giving me redirecting me to Instagram. I didn't want that. I wanted a light box to open up and present itself there and give me other options. Now every other plugin also has this. I like 3 columns. I like to have 9 images, so it'll be 3x3, and then you'll see later on when you say add more, or number of media added to the feed when user clicks load more button, then I just wanted to give me another, maybe another 3, just another row, really, another 3 photos. You can then expand this advanced and set more options in there. Shows user data, shows the button follow on Instagram or not, shows user posts and followers counts, show user bio and website. This is very good. And another thing I want to show you is once you go into Lightbox settings, it gives you so many options that I can't think of anything that you might need that is not part of this free version. Some of the other features are only available in premium version, but this one just absolutely completely works for me. Scroll down and there's just so many. I didn't make any changes to this. I'm just going to change this title, feed title, to froste.com.au, which is the actual name or username of the Instagram account. That kind of makes sense, so I'll say update. Now is the time to place our feed where we want it on our website. So for that you're going to have to go into feeds, and then short code is this. So you're going to have to want to copy that and place it anywhere in a plain text on your website. and let's do that now. Okay, I'm going to place it into the widget box just as plain text and say save. Oh, another reason why I picked this is that once you go into the feed settings, go down to make layout not responsive. So if you have a responsive theme, it's not going to list photos one after another below one another. Instead, it'll actually have 3 columns, 3 by 3, as I've set it up here. So I'll do that. So once you view it on a mobile device, it'll actually still look 3 by 3, and then if you tap on it, it'll open up in a light box as a photo. Okay, so this is the finished product. Remember, on the side there, we didn't have this. Again, it's highly customizable. You can have a number of posts, a number of followers, a follow, load more button here if you want, but this is kind of the basic. It just shows you the username and it shows you the latest posts. If you click on that post, what I like about this light box is that it comes up and the user has an option to minimize that, to expand it, to play it, so it goes through all of your photos, or to completely expand it into a larger picture, or to go on to open image on Instagram. So it's going to go into Instagram and look at that image over there. So I really like it. It's very neat. Now I am trying to get the subscriber base up to and over 1,000. So if you could help me, I would greatly appreciate it. You don't have to like the photo. Please just subscribe. I promise to be coming up with more of these useful videos for you. Thanks very much.